Hey guys, I am your friend Sam and we're back again with another episode of The Boys Season 2. So what you have to do is just click the link in the description of this video. It will redirect you to another page. Now press skip the ad button. Allow the notification to access the drive page. Now you can see a torrent file. This is a magnet URL which will directly download episode 4 on your computer. You can also download episode 1, 2 and 3 from the link given in the description and subscribe our channel Unboxing Jet to get episode 5 ASAP. Thanks for watching.